Project Fulcrum seeks to develop an architectural language with which to harness the natural qualities in the rural areas of Spain, be it formal, compositional, material, and spatial, for the benefit of these now fading areas. This aspiration envelops a constant tension between the appreciation of nature in its primal and untouched forms and the will to use it as a resource and expose its potential. The valley, which is bordering 3 villages, the flora and fauna, the topographical variety and the existing buildings' characteristics, function as the material palette from which the project is derived. These create dispersed systems of spaces containing different additions to the areas for local and visitors alike, as well as for the development of the landscape. These systems include geological and wildlife centers, observatories, public spaces, restaurants, and more along the villages. Each of these is located according to its surroundings, its relationship between the mountains, the valleys, and the built. The architecture in the project reacts to the natural silhouette of the hills and mountains, sometimes echoing it, other times mirroring or contrasting it. The interventions are made of 2 languages, heavy and light. The heavy language's syllables are the local rocks and soil, exposed and become an integral part of the architecture, to which the typical local stones walls connect. The light language's forms derive out of the existing building typologies of Segovia. It is one of wooden beams and glass, local, low-cost, and environmental-friendly materials, which allows light to wash the rocks and coves, emphasizing the eroded layers of the rocks by floating over them. The project proposes a relationship in which an equilibrium may be achieved between the natural and the built, the higher and the lower, light and heavy, between the local populations and the ones who'll visit, the permanent and the temporary.